I just got this gift snack box from Amazon. I bought this for around $25. It's from giftsnack.com. So this is like $25 and it is, I think, around 50 items. So like, yeah, 50 snacks, like small snacks in it. So let's try unboxing it and check it out. So it just arrived today and I'm really excited. I actually got like a discount on this one, so I was just paying like around like less than $20 for this. So the box is glad to see you too. Yes, I'm actually glad to get this. So it's like all 50 items, like 50 snacks. So they have Pirates Booty, they have Planters Salted Peanuts, they have those Pringles like in a kind of like small cups. They have Twizzlers, they have Goldfish, they have Sliders, Hanover, they have Cheez-Its too, they have popcorns, and the skinny popcorn. Animal crackers, don't you guys just love this too? They have Airheads, Taffy, something healthy, I guess. The peanut butter dark chocolate. Well, these are supposed to be healthy snacks, or maybe not. They have rice treats too. Are there any other stuff actually? Yeah, they have a few more. Oh, they have Oreos too. They have toast cheese. Never tried this, but this is like with peanut butter. They have like assorted fruit jellies or sweet snacks. This is taffy, Goldfish. Yeah, and more snack bars like the Quaker Chewy bars. And I don't know what this is. I've never tried this. Oh, it's brownies. And famous Amos cookies as well. And more Cheez-Its. That's it. So I guess, like, you know, honestly, I mean, just like for $25, you get like a variety of snack packs. So might be interesting just to get one or send a care package to your loved ones, especially during pandemic, during this critical times when they actually need to snack more. See you guys.